Right through like Nigel. Context matters. There you go.
Sa meto thon, sa mete mana ako oni ko.
When alone in Jamaica, it can be a difficult one, you know. When you live by yourself, a yard. You don't have the family or no woman.
So, how old are you?
I'm 19.
Context matters. There you go.
I run in yourself, you know. They used to have a big house or a mansion, but a nice size house. You know, easy. And I want safety. You have to be strong in yourself. Whereas if you're a man.
Your ratings do none of this. Your ratings do not bitch. Class, the money gone.
The hardest thing. I want the most difficultest thing. When you know the body around you, you have to survive on your own. And like you have family, you know, because I have mother, I have sister and everything, you know. But them family of Jamaica, I don't know, a joke thing. My people are foreign. Check for me more than how my Jamaican family with them on the island check for me, you know.
Them no want to see you do better than them. Them no want to see you elevate, bro. Be a corruption. I hear that my band come see it and I go dead left it.
And if man there so sick, I feel a type of way just to say, and then people are overseas know. You check up on man more regularly, you know, than if my people in their yard know. Because if my people in their yard know, say me sick, and they call man 1 time or 2 times, they might never call man back. Just to show you how. And if your family them not live with you and live far from them in a different parish, or one difficult thing, man, they think them left from where them left to come look for you or nothing like that. Them a joke thing, me I tell you, it's difficult, man, when you live alone in Jamaica. It's nice, you know, don't get me wrong, because as I say, you know, you have your own space and vibe and your privacy and, you know what I mean, that calm and collective alone time. It's nice, no joke. You know what I mean, you have it good on it, but believe me.
It affair come from the heart.
Yeah.
Or it not gonna work.
We have a cry.
Even friend, a yard. If you have certain things to entertain them or to keep them on a level there, you know. Them not check in, them not.
Let me tell you something, nobody not bigger than nobody here. Money no make you bigger than me. Wealth no make you bigger than me. We still breathe the same here. Alright, you see me? You know what get under my skin? Selfishness. I mean, I don't like people who are too full of themselves and feel say them more than people and them better than people. Tomorrow no promise nobody. The world no revolve around no one person. The whole of the world are for everybody. You see me I say?
Them not busy with you, you know. And when you start have certain things and them see things as spring, them want to start say, yeah, them a big friend. Yo, my boss, yo, my general, this and that.
You want to know who really care about you? You want to know who really love you? Go broke. Lose your house. Go hungry. Get your heart broken a few times and then ask for somebody to lean on. See who really got you. Y'all all out here seeking for validation from these people while y'all up or while y'all got it. Y'all got so many friends in y'all corner. But when you down, nobody's out there to give you that arm reach. You want to know who really love you and who really care about you? Go down to your lowest, as far down as you can, and see who you meet down there. See who meets you down there. See who gonna put their hand down there and reach you back up. There's your answer.
But if you're down and out on a local vibration, man, them not see a man, they must walk and you see them on the road and them heal you. Walk on this and walk on that. But them not check you. Them not busy with you if you not have certain things for entertain them and keep them afloat. Them not check in. I tell you, so when you live alone, when you live by yourself and you have certain things like Jamaica, or car, or bike, or business around, and food that grow or something where somebody would have want. Them not check in, them not even remember you.
I go through some things in life, brother. Sometimes I have to say, Father God, why me? What have I done? Strongest man get the hardest fight. And if you do something you not get fight, nothing now go on for you. No. The moment people start fight you, the moment people start criticize you, the moment people start drag you down, bad mind you, tell yourself, say, yeah, me I go on good.
You know what I mean? I have to just keep yourself afloat, man. I say good. It's good and nice still now when you have a bag of people when I hang on upon you still no cause when you have material, all for material thing and business and money I make a whole for people attract to you. A whole for people attract to you, man. When you have them things. But so when you have a minimal of thing, there's a small amount of things, small amount of asset a yard, and keep a thing for you down low, it don't attract a bag of people. Just like if you eat something sweet, you know, and you drop it on the ground, you know, or on a table anyway, it attracts ants.
It tastes really nice and sweet.
Look how you're gonna make we get in that trouble.
I'm not gonna know nothing.
Let me see it.
Because they don't know ants like sweet things. And the same thing. When you attract certain material thing or financial gain, it attracts people.
So,
Not all the time it attracts the right people in mind. Worse when you live in Jamaica. People bad mind.
Cheers to bad mind. They make us stronger.
Cheers to them for
They make us stronger.
They give us strength.
Yeah, man.
Quicker than how you even blink your eye. So you have to know what you do for people you are linked with. I'm telling you, Jamaica and them red eye and them get corrupt easily. If things are going for you and you know involve them in it, them switch up on your fast. Just like JPS and Flow. Them switch up on your fast if things are going for them.
We'll get rid of the bad mind people them. Can't take them boy. Alright?
Them disconnect your service. So them Jamaican go to work. When you have certain thing and when you have certain, when you not have it, them don't notice you. And when you have it, them start notice you.
My friend, never change for anyone.
As me I say, so but you just go and keep yourself on a down low in their yard. But I say no easy to live alone still, you know. Because if you feel a type of way and you want a cup of tea, you know nobody feel really deal with it for you. You have to find that strength there all the time for you. Deal with things on your own and it make you stronger.
Believe in myself that much and down further in the part, me believe in a God that much. Come remember, you know.
By yourself and things, some vibration and some things that come to your mind where you never did see before you start seeing now. Because you have a time to focus on yourself and less distraction. The only way you can connect with yourself more and pray things more wide and vast on a higher level, high vibration level, high frequency.
It's crazy how the universe unfolds. You know what I mean? And you have to just give God thanks for the unfolding, for the manifestation of things that we see with our own eyes so we know an illusion. Yes. You know what I mean? Yeah man, them things I want for the storybooks.
You know what I mean? A solitude in the man. You know them moment of silence and just you yourself and the divine power.
Of course, I may never yet doubt one day. Ask anybody what they're around, look at them. I tell them, we are come out. I believe in myself that much and in a God that much. Come remember, you know.
But it's nice still. It's nice and sometimes it's not nice because you want company. You get me? But we live alone.
Even your family, if your mother or your sister or your brother them, bad mind more than enough of the people on my road. Your cousin them, bad mind more than the people on my road.
Live in a family, we just live with yourself and job. And not easy because I say, you have to do everything for yourself. You have to make sure say, bill them pay up on food, this and keep your place on a level upright and them things there. And you have to do everything. Yeah, survival in a yard. Family them now really checking. I mean, so we now depend on family. You know. But family should be the first one to know when you go through certain struggle, them and give you strength to overcome that struggle. And more likely, strangers will do that. And you can't trust everybody.
In this life, I realize that the people them that hate you the most, watch you the most. But give them drama, give them show, and move on with your life. It is real life.
That's a part of the reality, a part of my reality. We are going to Jamaica basically. Man live by themselves and man have to take care of everything by themselves. Responsibility of life. Yeah? Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and leave your thoughts and comments.
Right through like night, Joe. Context matters.